How to make a friendship bracelet. You will need your friendship bracelet string, also called embroidery floss, and your clipboard. Start by removing the paper sleeve from one of the skeins of string. Carefully open the string out into a circle, and find one end. Unwind a bit of the string, trying your best not to tangle it. Using your clipboard, measure out 3 widths of string, and cut it. Cut at least 3 colors, but you can use as many colors as you want. Line up the ends of your strings. Tie an overhand knot near one end. Make a loop. Tuck the ends through the hole. Carefully tighten the knot, and finish so that the knot is a couple of inches from the end. Trap your knot under one end of the clip on your clipboard. Make sure it is under the black plastic part, rather than the metal part, so when you tug on the string, it doesn't slip through. Carefully separate one of your colors from the others. Make a number 4 shape with your strings. Hold the stem of the number 4 firmly, and keep it pointed toward your body the whole time. Reach through the hole, and grab the tail of the single string. Pull it through the hole. Tighten the knot, and carefully continue to tighten, as you pull it up toward the top of the clipboard. Remember to keep the stem of the 4 pointed toward yourself. Again, make a number 4. Hold the stem toward yourself. Reach through the hole. Pull the tail of the single string through. Tighten the knot, as you slide it up toward the top. As you get more practice, you will get faster. Each knot adds a little bit of color to the bracelet. To switch colors, put your first color back into the bundle, and carefully separate out your next color. Be sure to make it as separate as possible, without any tangles. Continue making 4s, and sliding knots, until you're ready to switch colors again. Each knot gives you a little bit of color. You can use the same number of knots for each color, or you can invent whatever pattern you like. Your bracelet is done, when it's long enough to go around your wrist. Now that you know the basic knot, there are hundreds of kinds of friendship bracelets you can learn how to make. Search on YouTube for "friendship bracelet tutorial" for instructions.